Porsche has unveiled a limited edition version of the iconic 911 sports car, the 911 Dakar. Named after the Paris-Dakar Rally, in which Porsche achieved its first overall victory in 1984, this unique model boasts an impressive performance enabled by a 3-liter biturbo 6-cylinder engine with 480 PS of power and 570 Nm of torque. The car comes standard with an 8-speed pedigree transmission and all-wheel drive, as well as rear axle steering and engine mounts from the 911 GT3. What really sets it apart, however, is its off-road capabilities, thanks to its higher ground clearance and lift system that can raise the front and rear ends an additional 30 mm. Plus, Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain plus tires and 2 new driving modes, Rallye and Offroad, optimize the car for loose and uneven surfaces for maximum traction on difficult terrain and sand. Further adding to its motorsport pedigree are design elements such as a carbon fiber reinforced plastic fixed lightweight rear spoiler, front luggage compartment lid with air outlets from the 911 GT3, and red aluminium towing lugs at both ends. Experience luxury alongside adventure with one-of-kind, the Porsche 911 Dakar. Add a touch of adventure to your luxury experience with the limited edition Porsche 911 Dakar. This unique model offers rally-inspired features such as a roof rack with a 12-volt power outlet for headlights, a roof basket and tent, and a Porsche-designed chronograph. It lets you accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, making it every driver's dream come true. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Only 2,500 units of the 911 Dakar will be made available. Order yours today. It is available in 2 exterior colors, white and black, both of which come with orange accents on the front and rear spoilers, side skirts, and door handles, plus a striking interior that features a combination of black upholstery with orange contrast stitching, Porsche-designed door sill guards, and more. In terms of equipment, the 911 Dakar comes standard with the PCM system, including a high-resolution touchscreen display, online navigation capability, Bose surround sound system, as well as its own Porsche Connect app that allows drivers to keep track of their car's status remotely, such as checking charging stations or booking service appointments. Experience pure luxury driving at its best. The Porsche 911 Dakar is a rare and extraordinary sports car that offers luxury, performance, and off-road capabilities. Standard features include adaptive sports seats with memory function, electric folding mirrors with LED headlights featuring matrix beam, and a rear-view camera for added safety. Optional extras such as a panoramic glass sunroof, head-up display, and night vision assist system add an even higher level of customization. With its limited edition rally-inspired design elements, the Porsche 911 Dakar is an attractive option for both collectors and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,